Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video we will learn some setting about the systems. Okay, let's start. So there are three different methods to add a analysis system into the project schematic. The first one is we can just double click on it. Let's suppose we want to do a static structure analysis. So from here, from the analysis system, we will double click on static structure analysis. Then it will appear in project schematic. And the second method is we can just select this one and then we can hold and drag. Okay, and when we hold and drag into the project schematic, you can see that it will show different green color rectangle. So we can place this system at any of these four places. Okay, and we can also place this and this will share the data with this already present system. So we will discuss this later, so we just place it here. Okay, and the third option is that we can just right click in the project schematic, and here we will go to the new analysis system, and from here you can get the list of analysis systems. So you can select the analysis system that you want to perform, like buckling. So in this way you can add a system into the project schematic. Okay, so by adopting any method we can place multiple analysis system in this single project schematic. We can like create similar, like static structure similar systems, multiple similar static structural systems, and we can also place different analysis system on the same project schematic. Okay, and there is also information like the information can be shared between two analysis systems. So how can we do that? Let's suppose we did a static structure analysis and now we want to perform another static structure analysis. So if we will drag, then you can see that if we bring at the first and it become red. Okay, and it says that the share, so it means that it will share the material properties and material settings with the new models. Okay, new system. And if we will come down, now we can say we can see that two cells are selected and the data is shared between them, and if we select three, then three are shared and the data is shared between them, and we can place it here. And if we will so only if we become down, we can see that there is no option available. So we can see that if we use the similar analysis, so we can just share three cells, and now it's mean that the material that we used in this static structure analysis, it will be copied or it will be transferred to this new static structure analysis. Similarly, if we use some geometry here, then this geometry is also present here. And if we did some model analysis and we did some model setting, and then all the model settings are moved to this new system. Okay, and if we, let's suppose we drag different system like model analysis, and now you can see that it can give the, like the option we can share the data for first three cells and also for fourth. Okay, and we just drag it here, paste, and now we can see that we got different links. These are called the links, and we can see that first three links are blue and square, and this one is pink and is circular. So what is the difference between the blue and square? This represent that the data is shared between two models of two systems, like the data of engineering data, like the properties of material are shared between these two. Okay, and similarly the property is shared between these two. Okay, and this present that the data is transferred. Like if we got the solution from this static structure analysis, and this analysis is transferred to this one. Okay, I hope you understand the difference between two links. And one important things that you need to remember, that data always transfer or share from left to right. This is called the downstream and this is called the upstream, and we can say data can only transfer or share from left to right. Okay, so if we place let's suppose we place another model in here. Okay, and we can also like create these links manually. Let's suppose I select this one and then I came to here, so you can see that it's showing that the data is shared. Okay, and now you can see that it's automatically it's placed at the right because the data is only transferred from left to right. Okay, and similarly we can drag this one. If we model, so we cannot transfer the model data to this one according to the like the limitations of these two models. So in coming videos we will do the combination of different structural or analysis. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.